the tiny dragon's big heart. On the fiery planet Emberos lived a dragon named Pip. Unlike the mighty, towering dragons who soared through the ash-filled skies, Pip was no bigger than a glowing ember himself. He often felt too small to make any difference. Emberos was a world of magnificent volcanoes and rivers of molten lava, the very lifeblood of their home. The larger dragons, with their immense strength, tended to the great lava flows, ensuring the planet's heart beat strong and steady. One scorching morning, a tremor shook Emberos. A vital lava tube, one that fed the central energy core, had collapsed deep within a narrow cavern. The planet's energy flickered, and a chill, unfamiliar to Emberos, began to spread. The Elder Council of Dragons gathered, their roars of concern echoing across the plains. "The passage is too tight," boomed Ignis, the largest and wisest. "None of us can reach the blockage without causing further collapse." Pip, hidden behind a cluster of glowing crystals, listened. He knew the cavern. He had explored its tightest squeezes, its narrowest tunnels, places even the smallest adult dragon couldn't venture. A shiver, not from cold, ran down his spine. "Someone must go," declared another elder, "or Emberos will grow cold." Pip's tiny heart pounded. He wanted to hide, to pretend he hadn't heard. But a truth, hot as the planet's core, ignited within him. That was his responsibility. There was no way around it. Taking a deep breath, Pip stepped forward. "I can go," he squeaked, his voice barely audible. The elder dragons turned, surprised. Ignis looked down at the tiny dragon, his expression a mix of doubt and a flicker of hope. With a nod from Ignis, Pip ventured into the dark, winding passage. The air grew thick and heavy. He squeezed through cracks, his scales brushing against rough, hot rock. The blockage was ahead, a jumble of collapsed rock, barely allowing a trickle of lava. He pushed and nudged, using every ounce of his small strength. The rocks were stubborn, but Pip was braver. He found the keystone, the one holding the others in place. With a mighty, unthinkable shove for such a small creature, he dislodged it. With a rumble, the blockage cleared. Molten lava surged forward, flowing freely once more. Pip scrambled out, covered in dust but beaming. Emberos pulsed with renewed warmth. The elder dragons cheered, and Ignis gently nudged Pip. "You see, little one," he rumbled, "even the smallest heart can hold the greatest courage."